Okay, good everyone, and welcome to my channel once again. So basically, I'm creating this video just to help those who basically wants to work on their X account, but they don't know where to start. Like, you're asking yourself this question: I want to work on my X account, but I don't understand X application, or maybe can someone please put me through so I can understand this much more better and other stuffs like that. So, well, I guess you're in luck today because that's basically what I'm going to be doing right here, and it's going to be a unique time with you. So, stick with me, guys. Let's go. So now the first thing you want to do is come in here to your profile. You want to come in here to your profile, and when you are right here, now you can see this account that we just created. Can I see just created? Okay, I just edited this account just now. The first thing you want to do is come into your profile. Now while on your profile right here, you want to go to edit your profile. When you edit your profile, you want to make sure your turn on professional is on. When you turn on your professional, it's going to ask you if you want it to be a business or a creator. Go for any of them you feel like. This is going to be a business account, so that's why I'm leaving it in business. Then you add your profile picture, your cover photo. Like you can see, I've not added the cover photo right here, but I'm going to be adding one right about now. So let me show you how I'm going to get a good cover photo which I want to use. I'm going to go over to Bing application on my mobile phone. So let's go over to Bing application. Now right here on my Bing application, I'm just going to say something very simple. Create me an image with the writing. Okay, writing. Okay, with the writing PAC tutorial. That's exactly what I'm just going to tell it. So now it's going to create me that image. Now you can see say your image is being generated by an AI. So basically I have to do all of this work. So I'm just waiting for it to load up this image for me. And voila, you can see how, wow, these are looking much more better than I expected. Now I don't even know which of them to pick, but I have to pick one. So which is going to be, I go with this one because of the white background and it's kind of more standard. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to go with this. Now it's not going to display every other part, even though I know I don't want them. So I'll come here back and I'm going to put this image right here. So I'm going to click this. Now I just want the name PaySetter tutorial. Thank you. That's exactly what I just want. I'm going to make this come down a little and apply. Now my logo, that's not the logo I want for the PaySetter tutorial. So I'm going to get the original logo from the website itself. So I'm going to come right here. This is the logo I want to use. So I'm going to download this image. Download. So yeah, that's downloaded. So now go over to my X. I'm going to change this exact logo. So I'll edit it. This is even looking quite blurry. Yeah, this is what I want right here. So this is much more better for me. And I'm going to save it right here. And you say post. Okay, no, I don't want to post that. I did a new profile. Okay, let me just make it a post. Then now you can see that's done. Now I've changed my profile picture, and also what's the issue? I don't know why it logs me out, so I'm just going to log in back again. So that's not going to be a big deal. So I know the login, which is PaySetter. I'm going to pause the video and log in so you don't know the password to this account. Thank you very much. So basically I've logged in right now. I don't know why it logged me out, but good thing I've logged in back again. So now let's go back to my profile. Let's see if everything is set up. Wow, now you can see we have our PaySetter tutorial. We have everything is almost set up. Let's check if there's any other thing. Okay, now we can see that's very set up, already set up. Now I'm going to check if there's any other thing I need to add right here. I guess there's nothing else I'm going to add right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, now that's done for the setting up of your account. Now once you have done all that and your account is being set up, now this is the first thing you want to do. Now let's say you want to search for people right now. So basically I'm going to search for my own self, GTD Mega GT. So you can do it to follow my account, guys. So I'm going to say follow back, and I just want to message myself and say, hey this is an organization going to be verified very soon. So I'm going to say all posts. Then right here, I'm going to do something very unique. I'm going to like this. I'm going to retweet and say wonderful. Keep up. Now this is what you want to start doing now. So what you want to start doing now is, let's say this brand is Space Data Tutorial, and the main purpose for this brand is education. Now this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to go over to where you have let's say I want to get the top 10 education channel on your YouTube, on sorry, X. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to search for education. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to search for education. Now under education, I just want to search for some. I'm going to follow this one and make sure all the posts, tag all the posts all. I just want to follow almost all universities, or should I say all universities? Not basically all universities, but many top channels that are having a lot of followers. So sorry for that. So I'm going to follow as many as I can follow. From there I can get this is exactly what you want to do right here. Okay, so you can see right here what I'm doing here is very simple. Just following account and making sure all the posts are set to all. I'm setting all the posts to all. So you want to do that on your account. Follow every single step I'm giving right here. So after I've searched for this first one, I'm going to scroll again if I'm going to see any of them. Now let me make it more unique, like university. So now I'm going to search for universities. Harvard. Wow, this one of the most top. So basically going to follow it and make all the posts. Then I'm going to follow all these accounts that are under it also. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so I can get the latest posts. So whenever I post, my post can be relating to stuff like this and many other kind of stuff. So this is basically what I'm going to do for the account. Now you can see this also, this verified account. Harvard is also verified right here. Cambridge is verified. So I'm going to just click on saying all posts. So let's see if there are many more. Okay, so I'm just going to continue saying all posts. When I'm done with this, you're going to see the next thing I'm going to do right now. Okay, so just stick with me guys so you can forward the video a bit if this is taking much of your time, but I urge you not to forward any of this video. So let's see right here. So after I'm done with the following for this account, let's check. Okay, now you can see that's done. Let's check if I have another university here. Okay, I'm going to follow this and I want to unfollow and follow again so that it can show me some other university right under. Then I'm going to say follow all. I'm having cough guys, I'm sorry. So right here I'm going to still follow, make all these posts. Now you're going to see the reason why we have to do all this, which we are doing right now, making the post. Just in case you don't know what I'm doing to get this, click on the notification. You're going to definitely see click on that notification icon, you see all posts, then you make it all posts. You just want to make everything all posts, so every post they post you will be among the first persons to see it once you're online at that exact time it was posted. Okay, and all these are going so well. Okay, now we are done with our following for now. So now this is what I want to do right here. When I come back to my own page, then now I'm going to search for GTD, this GTD Mega GTDT. This also one of my my colleague. Why is it saying this is not available? Let me go into followers. So this is it. I'm going to just follow this account, make all posts. So right here, I guess we're done. Okay, I also want to follow this account, this my mentor's account. So the accounts I want to follow, they're all done. Okay, now that's done and dusted. So now I'm going to go back to my home and refresh my feed. I'm going to scroll up, refresh my feed again, refresh the feed. So I'm just going to click on refreshing the feed. Okay, now 32 minutes ago, I'm going to click on this. Now when you see something was posted 32 minutes ago and it's having 80 views, what do? You like, you bookmark, then you repost. After reposting, this is what you want to do. Now it says education is not just life saving, it is life saving. This, and you say, then now you want to quote on this and say definitely education is key. Education is key. I'm just making a random for is key, and you need proper education. And I'll say join us in Pacesetter. Pacesetter for an experience of your lifetime. Okay, and I'm going to post it. Then now I'm going to say for this education, I'm going to do hashtag. You just want to make it bit unique. I'm going to give space and come back to the hashtag education. Educational trend. Then I'm going to say education right here and make it capital letter and put an hashtag right here. Now you want to also make sure some things are hashtagged. Then you come here. I want to make Pacesetter tutorial hashtag, Pacesetter and tutorial hashtag. Okay, now I'm going to repost. Now you can see what I did there. I had to quote it. Then right here I'm going to come here and say 100. I just want to make a comment right under so that the algorithm knows that I'm interested in anything under education. So after I've done that, I'm going to go back and just keep on waiting. Okay, I see some. This one was posted 1 day ago. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do this bookmark. I'm going to repost it and I'm going to quote. Now let's see what it says. Volunteer, build bridge, promote solidarity, and say. Let me just say something like, I'm going to say something like, today you stop learning. Okay, the day you stop learning, you start dying. Okay, and I'm going to post it. And you can see I'll just be looking for posts that were posted by educational centers, and I'll be retweeting on them. Then also this was posted 3 hours ago. I'm going to come here. They say the word is cross leadership with build solidity and other stuff like this. So basically just want to continue doing all this stuff, and I'm going to repost this, and I'm just going to come on here and post my logo and say Pacesetter tutorial. You want to sell yourself out, Pacesetter tutorial. is here for you. So I also want to make this a quote also, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to reply with this, so it falls under here. It falls under here, so people can basically see it. So I'm going to go back also, and when I come here, I'm going to requote this and I'm going to paste it right here and repost. Now that's being done. So now I already have 36 following and 1 followers, so on and so forth. You see that when you continue doing that, you grow your account, and that's why I was able to grow my own account in just a day to 56 followers with just doing those kind of stuff. So have a nice day, guys, and peace.